Here are some amazing facts about elf owls. Elf owls Micrathene whitneyi are the smallest owl species in the world. They measure around 5 to 6 inches 13 to 15 centimeters in length. These tiny owls weigh just 1.4 to 1.7 ounces 40 to 49 grams. Elf owls are found in the southwestern United States and Mexico. They prefer habitats such as deserts, mesquite woodlands, and riparian areas. Despite their small size, they are skilled predators, feeding mainly on insects such as moths, beetles, and crickets. Elf owls are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. Their diet also includes small reptiles and occasionally small mammals. They have excellent vision and hearing, which helps them hunt in the dark. Elf owls have distinct facial discs that help funnel sound to their ears, aiding in locating prey. These owls have large yellow eyes that stand out against their grayish-brown plumage. Elf owls have short tails and rounded wings, which are adapted for maneuvering through dense vegetation. Their flight is swift and agile, allowing them to catch prey on the wing. Elf owls are cavity nesters, often utilizing abandoned woodpecker holes or natural tree cavities. They may also use man-made structures such as fence posts or cacti for nesting. Breeding pairs of elf owls are monogamous, typically mating for life. Males attract females through vocalizations and courtship displays. Female elf owls lay an average of 2 to 4 eggs per clutch. Incubation lasts around 21 to 24 days, with both parents sharing nesting duties. Elf owl chicks are altricial, meaning they are born helpless and rely entirely on their parents for food and warmth. The chicks fledge leave the nest at around 30 to 35 days old but may continue to be fed by their parents for some time. Elf owls are known for their distinctive call, which sounds like a series of whistles or trills. Their vocalizations are often used for communication between mates and to establish territory. Elf owls are primarily solitary outside of the breeding season. They are non-migratory birds, typically staying in their breeding territories year-round. During the daytime, elf owls roost in tree cavities or dense foliage to avoid predators. Natural predators of elf owls include larger owls, hawks, and snakes. Elf owls have cryptic plumage that helps them blend into their surroundings, providing camouflage from predators and prey alike. They are known to bob their heads when alarmed, a behavior that may help them detect potential threats. Elf owls have been observed bathing in rainwater or dew to maintain their plumage and hygiene. Despite their small size, they are capable of flying long distances in search of food. Elf owls are important members of their ecosystems, helping to control insect populations. They are also indicators of habitat health, as their presence often signifies intact desert ecosystems. Elf owls have been studied for their role in controlling crop pests, particularly agricultural pests like moths and beetles. They are sometimes attracted to artificial lights at night, where they may feed on insects attracted to the light source. Elf owls have been observed exhibiting mobbing behavior, where they harass potential predators such as snakes or larger birds. They have keen territorial instincts and will defend their nesting sites vigorously. Elf owls are legally protected in many areas due to their small population size and vulnerability to habitat loss. Climate change may pose a threat to elf owls, as it can alter the availability of prey and nesting habitats. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving their habitat are crucial for the long-term survival of elf owls. Elf owls have been featured in Native American folklore and mythology, often symbolizing wisdom and stealth. They are sometimes referred to as elfin owls due to their diminutive size and elusive nature. Elf owls have excellent camouflage, allowing them to hide from predators and ambush their prey. Their feathers are soft and adapted for silent flight, reducing noise as they hunt. Elf owls have relatively long lifespans for their size, with individuals in the wild living up to 3 to 6 years on average. In captivity, they may live longer, with some individuals reaching 10 years of age or more. Elf owls have specialized talons and beaks for capturing and consuming their insect prey. They are opportunistic feeders, taking advantage of whatever prey is most abundant in their environment. Elf owls have been studied for their navigational abilities during migration and nocturnal foraging. They are known to use landmarks and celestial cues to navigate during their nightly hunts. Elf owls have adapted to living in arid environments, where water sources may be scarce. They obtain much of their hydration from their prey, reducing the need to drink water directly. Elf owls are agile flyers, capable of flying close to the ground and through dense vegetation. They are well adapted to hunting in low light conditions, thanks to their large eyes and sensitive hearing. Elf owls are adept at locating prey using a combination of sight and sound. They have been studied for their role in controlling insect pests in agricultural settings. Elf owls are known to roost in groups during the non-breeding season, possibly for safety in numbers. They may share roosting sites with other small bird species, such as hummingbirds or sparrows. Elf owls are highly territorial during the breeding season, defending their nesting sites from intruders. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including hoots, trills, and whistles.